there may be those wondering, why am I here over a private sector investment? It's not the government's investment. That is where you make the mistake. Carib Cement, which is owned by a multinational corporation, would not put its capital at risk if it were not certain of the economic program and economic policies of the government of Jamaica. There is an attempt to make government ineffectual. There is an attempt to suggest that government doesn't matter. There is an attempt to disconnect the achievements of the government from the efforts of the government. There is an attempt to make it seem as if countries can run without government. And there are persons who are vested in this and feed into a narrative which is a narrative born out of frustration. I want you for a moment to think that there were many years before now when this plant had no investment, when the prospect for the plant was never for its expansion, when the plant was up for sale because its future was uncertain. What changed? Well, the government changed. The government policies changed to more effective policies. And it is these effective policies that would have changed the outlook of investors in the company. I go through this because it is important that our population understand that government matters. Your government, the people who you elect to administer your business, matters.